Good morning students. Today in this video we will discuss that how can we balance a redox reaction which is given in acidic medium by half reaction method. ठीक है. Now just see, it is given oxidation of ferrous ion to ferric ion takes place by dichromate ion in acidic medium wherein the dichromate ions are reduced to Cr plus 3 ions. ठीक है. So how can we balance it? First of all we will write the skeletal equation for this question. ठीक. This is ferrous ion. ठीक, दिस इज डाइक्रोमेट आयन, दिस इज फेरिक आयन, दिस इज क्रोमियम आयन. ठीक है. द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज वी विल राइट द ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ ईच एलिमेंट एट द टॉप. इट इज +2, here chromium is +6, here iron is +3, here chromium is +3. Now we will divide this whole equation into two parts. One is oxidation half reaction and other is reduction half reaction. ठीक है, as the name indicate half reaction method. Now oxidation किसका हुआ? Fe+2 to Fe+3, increase in oxidation number. So we will write oxidation half reaction in this way. And in chromium +6 to +3, reduction half reaction, we write reduction half reaction. ठीक है. Now what we will do, next step is except oxygen and hydrogen we will balance all other atoms. ठीक है. In oxidation half reaction iron is already balanced. ठीक है. In reduction half reaction chromium is not balanced. ठीक है. Here there are two chromium atom, here there is only one chromium atom. To balance chromium we will write multiply the Cr plus 3 by 2. What we get? 2 Cr plus 3. Now we find that chromium is balanced in this reaction. That means oxidation half reaction is already balanced, iron is already balanced. Here reduction half reaction we balance chromium. ठीक है. Now next step is we have to balance oxygen and hydrogen. ठीक है. In oxidation half reaction there is no oxygen and hydrogen. There is no need to balance anything. In reduction half reaction there are 7 atoms of oxygen. ठीक है. Keep it in mind, for acidic medium to balance oxygen we add water H2O, and to balance hydrogen we add H plus ion. Okay. Now see, here there are 7 oxygen atoms. To balance oxygen we will add 7 H2O. ठीक है. And to balance hydrogen 7 to the 14 hydrogen we will add 14 H plus ion this side. ठीक है. Okay. Now we will add electrons in both the half reactions to balance charges. ठीक है. It is oxidation half reaction Fe+2 Fe+3. Here it loses 2 electron, here it loses 3 electron. If we give 1 electron over here to balance the charge. Similarly in case of this, it is +6 to +3. In reduction half reaction there are 12 positive charges on the LH side. For 1 Cr it is +6. For 2 Cr there will be 12 positive charges on this side, and for 1 Cr it is +3. For 2 Cr there are 6 positive charges on the right. So we will add 6 electrons on the LHS to balance the charge. ठीक है. Now we will equalize the electrons in both of them. ठीक है. Now here there are 6 electrons, here it is only 1 electron. So what we will do, we will multiply oxidation half reaction by 6. ठीक है. After multiplying we get this. ठीक है. Now what is the next step? We will add oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction so that the electrons can be cancelled. ठीक है. Now we add both of them. 6 electron with 6 electron cancel out. ठीक. What is the net ionic equation after balancing? We get 6Fe+2 plus Cr2O7 minus 2 plus 14H plus ion gives 6Fe+3 plus 2Cr plus 3 plus 7H2. This is the balanced redox reaction which is given in acidic medium, and we balance it by half reaction method. Okay. Now see the next question, in which we have to balance the redox reaction which is given in basic medium by half reaction method. It is given permanganate 7th ion MnO4 negative in basic solution oxidize iodide ion I negative to produce molecular iodine I2 and manganese 4th oxide MnO2. ठीक है. We have to balance it by half reaction method, and it is given in basic medium. ठीक है. First step is we will write the skeletal ionic equation for it. This is permanganate ion, this is iodide ion, this is manganese oxide, and this is solid iodine. ठीक है. Then we will write the oxidation state of each element at the top. Here it is +7, -1, 4, and it is 0. ठीक है. That means manganese is reduced and iodine is oxidized. Now we will separate it into two half reactions in this way. ठीक है. Now next step is we will balance all atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. In reduction half reaction manganese is already balanced, but in oxidation half reaction there is only one atom of iodine. Here there are 2 atoms of iodine. So what we will do, we will balance iodine by putting 2 over here. ठीक है. We get 2 I negative gives I2. ठीक है. Now next step is we will balance oxygen and hydrogen. In oxidation half reaction there is no oxygen and hydrogen. ठीक है. But in reduction half reaction there are 4 oxygen atoms here and there are 2 oxygen atoms here. ठीक है. Okay. Now as the equation is given in basic medium, to balance oxygen we add OH negative ion, and for balancing hydrogen we add water. ठीक है. What we'll do here, there are 4 oxygen atom. To balance oxygen, what we will do, we will add 2 OH negative ion this side, and for 2 hydrogen we add 2 H2O this side. ठीक है. Now if we see, hydrogen becomes 2 to the 4, but there are 2 hydrogen here, so to balance 2 more hydrogen we add 2 more OH negative ion. ठीक है. Now if we see, 2 OH and 2 H becomes 4 OH negative ion. ठीक है. Now if you see this reaction, oxygen 4 and 2 6, oxygen 4 and 2 6, oxygen is also balanced, and hydrogen 2 to the 4 and hydrogen 4, hydrogen is also balanced. ठीक है. Now next step is we have to balance the charges of the two half reactions. ठीक है. Here it is I negative, we put 2 to balance iodine atom. Now to balance the charges we put 2 electrons over here. ठीक है. Similarly it is reduction half reaction plus 7 to plus 4, so to balance the charge we put 3 electrons over here. ठीक है. Now next step is we have to equalize the electron. Here there are 2 electrons, here there are 3 electrons. So we multiply oxidation half reaction by 3 and reduction half reaction by 2, so that the electrons becomes equal. ठीक है. After multiplying we get these two reactions. Now we will add these two reactions so that we can cancel the electrons. ठीक है. After cancelling the electrons, when we add up, this is the net ionic equation which we balance it by half reaction method. It is given in basic medium. ठीक है. I hope you understood this. Have a good day.